Today I'm gonna show you how to hide your friend list on Facebook. It's easy. Now, let's start. Okay, the first step is to open Facebook app. And then at home, click the three lines button at the upper right corner. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Here, click on Settings. Now scroll down again and go to Privacy. Here, click on Privacy Settings. And now scroll down again and go to Who Can See Your Friend List. Click on that. Now to hide your friend list, click on this See More button and select Only Me. And that's it. Our Facebook friend list is now hidden.